On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Band bass like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 What you know about juice? Making the moves, data flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolio's taking well over exceptional gain. I'm chopping this game, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pair full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an Otter gang with an auto flame. But a lot of hate, get about the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing guys so pretentious. Grapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me for the TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Band bass like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto, on the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Band bass like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 AlexOCrypto.
I should start every intro by stepping into the microphone. Good morning, Otter gang, gang. What is going on? My God, I just had to, I realized that I'm pretty good every morning, but I did not turn on the coffee machine, and I'm sitting at a 1/3 cup right now. Gang. Let's go, baby. So the coffee is on. Oh, my God. Here comes the alerts. We're pumping, baby. We're going to the moon today. The moon was delayed. I called NASA and Starlink. I said, what's going on with this moon thing, man? They said, don't worry. Don't worry, all you bag holders. You are all pre-rich. Let's just jump into the charts because we pumping. Bitcoin flying. Let's go, baby. Did you guys buy the dip? Oh, man. What's going on, everybody? Good morning. Thank you, everybody, for being here. Looks like Bitcoin is pushing up here. Obviously, what time did they do it, guys? 3 a.m.? 4 a.m. 4:30 in the morning. Of course. What's going on, everybody? Thank you for being here and hanging out. How are we all doing this morning? Sound is low, or is it just me? The sound is low. The sound is as low as I can make it. You have to turn up your volume until we get the dynamite. Hopefully everybody's having a good morning. My God, push and push. Double pump. Here we go, baby. Everybody's long, right? I'm not long, by the way. If you're wondering. The sound is good. See? Steve Hickey says it's low. Sound is good. Well, we're waiting for the attachment for the microphone to amplify it so it's louder for you guys, but I think most people it's good. I mean, you do have a volume control. I guess you could turn it up. I'm not going to turn mine up because then I'll be clipping and it'll sound like absolute dog trash. So I think that the amplifier thing's coming in the next, I think Friday it's coming. So nice push, man. These alerts are going nuts. What do we got here? ADA. Algorand. Okay, yeah, we know all about Algorand. Don't need an alert there. We know all about ADA. We don't need an alert there. Let's go back. How's everybody doing? We're getting a pump right now, baby. Let's go. Let's go. This is good. Beautiful short last night from Wave Cipher. Thanks, bro. Thanks for pumping my bags. Discord's on fire. The friends here are all on fire. Looks like we have continuation push here. Coming into our sell. Well, this is golden pocket order block right here, so we'll see how it reacts as we continue to push here. Thank you, everybody, for being on the live and hanging out with me. It's always an honor and a privilege to hang out with you guys, talk a lot of smack, and make lots of money. This is never financial advice. It's just another day in paradise, man. What's going on, Average Joe, Ando, Poncho, Felipe, Colin? What's going on, Duality? Good morning. Good to see you, Nate's, Clay the Great, Orhan. Good morning to you. Thank you for being here. Infinite Team TA, my man. What's going on, bro? Steve Hickey, good morning. I'll get that volume fixed for you, Steve. I mean, I'm a carpenter trying to use electronics, okay? I only use things with batteries and sometimes a plugged-in chop saw. Occasionally. Crypto Rob. What's going on, man? Good to see you. Chicken, my man. Good morning, brother. Hope you and the gang have a great day. Let's go, baby. Trade for life. Alexandra G. Good morning, Steve. Shriyan, good morning. Good to see you. Diggers, Fakir. I always get messed up, man, when I see your name, Fecker. Can I just call you Fucker? I'm joking. It's too early for that. Fakir, good morning. This is why people come here. I thought maybe it's way too early for that. Trace, what's going on? Donato Cabrera, Al Jr., Infinite Team. And we're off to the great start this morning, everybody. Great start. Muckin, what's going on? Muckin's taller than me, by the way. We love you, Muckin. Muckin's one of our female members. We love you. Don't mess with Muckin. We'll mess you up, man. The Otter gang protects them. Amos, what's going on? Fibril, SR, Off Gus Johnson. Is that like Wayne Johnson's like German Italy called? Said you're banned from the country. Yeah, probably. Soy Quest Async, good morning. I mean, you know Hawaiian pizza was invented in Canada? I'm sorry, guys. I love it, man. Mahaba, Hacking Gaming, Milan, Afgas, Donato, B-Rad, Orhan Richards. Good morning, Guy Kemp. Mark Gustafson, Alex Moto, Southern Stacker. J-Mag, what's going on, Django, B-Rad. Hit the like button. Yeah, I didn't... See, I got to remind you guys. Remember, hit the like button. Coming up, tapping this little order block rejection area. Enticing buyers every morning, guys. Isn't every morning just before market opens, like just before 8 a.m., 6 a.m. my time? There's always a push up, and they're trying to entice buyers. Every time this week. No pineapple on pizza. Okay. Joshua, Steve Hickey, Django, Blair, Joni. Wave Cipher, good morning. Nice trade yesterday. Wave Cipher giving you guys the short from the highs. Great job. DJ Mac, Chantel, good morning. Good to see you. Febril Kuntube, good morning. Alex Moto, Philly Skills, Wagwang, good morning, my guy. Swear jar, oh my God. Yeah, that was a definite swear jar. That was a Freudian slip. Guys, if you had to read the name Fecker every morning, like, I don't mean to insult you, and if you're insulted, I mean, you must be like a Gen, what are they now? Gen Alpha? What's the new one? They just keep coming up. You're in front. You're definitely not a millennial. Like even millennials, like I'm a millennial. Even some of my millennial friends get offended. Okay. You're definitely You're definitely not an 80s, 90s kid if you're offended. You're probably, yeah, an Omega or a Delta or a whatever you're trying to be cool with. Look at this push, man. Come back. Come back to us. Come back to VWAP again so we can get long. Where's my swear jar? That was a definite. Everybody, I'm telling you, put a 1 in the chat that every time I say fucker, you're thinking of fucker. You cannot deny me. We are making crypto honest again. Every time you see his name, I can't help it, man. Put a 1 in the chat. Be honest. Come on. Get it out. Get it out. Be honest. Okay. It's okay to be honest. Okay. I was thinking it. You were thinking it. I said it. Okay. At least I was the one who said it. Okay. We love you. We love you being here. But every time I see it, man, I just want to say it. I'm just saying. Making crypto honest again. Let me see how many 1s are in the chat. Thank you for being honest. There we go. There we go. He's probably unsubscribed and like reported me, which is fine. I love you, man. Hopefully we can help you make some nice trades today. Mark Gustafson, good morning. Farhad, good morning. Isaac, Infinite Team TA, Blair Stevenson, Django, what's going on? G-Man, Southern Stacker, Wave Cypher, what's going on? Andrew Ingram, Ramus, what's going on? Jamama Mama, Fabril, Koontube, DJ Mac, Southern Stacker, man. You guys just trying to get me in trouble. What's going on, Crypto King? Good to see you in the chat, brother. How you doing? Steve Hickey, Nama. He bought 20 minutes ago. Well, that's it. Just buy 20 minutes before this live stream, you make lots of money. That's the new alpha, okay? K-Pack, Paul Hindenburg, Isaac, Orhan, thank you guys for being here. Joshua Reddy, afternoons, good to see you. Shout out to all my Londoners. Shout out to all my Australians. Infinite Team TA, bless in the chat. Arab Ben, Lurker. Raf, Lurker. Martin, Lurker. Sierra, VT, Lurker. Pragian, Lurker. Carlos, Lurker. Jared, Lurker. D-Mac, I think I've seen you before. I'm going to say good morning to you, but you're still Lurker because I don't know your name well enough. Letio, Lurker. Gaines, Nor, Lurker. See some lurkers in the chat. I like to see a purple chat. That's a lot of lurkers, a lot of people not saying good morning, a lot of people not here trading. Come on, man. What's going on? Travis Michael. We just pretending audio is good? Yes, we are, Jeets. We are just pretenders. It's like the Avengers, but Fugazi. DJ Mac, Guten Morgan, Billy Baines, Eli John, or L. John, Mark Gustafson. Hakuna Matata, what's going on? RD27. Good to see you, man. Why does Asian session always get the price? I don't know. 3 a.m., guys, it's like the best ever, man. Agreed. Agreed, Andrew. Okay. Fakir, are you still here? I'm sorry, bro. I apologize. I did the Canadian thing and I apologized. Okay. Andrew Ruiz, Southern Stacker, Cobra, Salesman, love from Pakistan. Thank you for being here, man. BG. So my Blue Jays last night won. They knocked out the expensive Yankees. The Yankees got their asses handed to them. That is awesome. So Canada beat New York. Pretty sweet. Pretty sweet. GG's for the Blue Jays. Okay? I love seeing New York lose. Nothing better than a team that has a monopoly and gets their ass whooped. Okay? Then, my Maple Leafs absolutely destroyed the Montreal Canadiens last night. Then my Toronto Raptors absolutely won as well. We're on fire to start the seasons off. Let's go, baby. Good morning, everybody. Caitlin Trade. Good morning, Victor. JR, you guys got McDavid for another 2 years. I'm mad at you. I'm still not talking to you, bro. I'm still not talking to you. I'm pissed. McDavid 12.5. Loser. Should have came to Toronto. Anyways, I'm pissed. That stings, man. So coming into a rejection zone here, let's see how it reacts. Bitcoin right now. So we got a nice order block in here, which is sweet. We have our beautiful golden pocket that we are rejecting from right now. Looking for this thing to come down into here and bounce. We got VWAP coming through here, order block in here, retest to previous highs. Okay, so this is our main retracement buy zone that I'm looking at is 122,000. Okay, everyone. Coming into this area here, up only, enticing buyers, lots of liquidity below. So if this then that. Am I taking a short here? Not just yet. We don't have confirmation bias yet. This has just been up only. Okay, very up only. So a little bit of patience here. Into our sell wall, order block, buy wall down below. So if anything, we should be looking for shorts right here, but I do not want to fade this pump right now. So a little bit of patience will prevail on this push up. We'll see how it goes. But yeah, bearish divergence it's trying to continue, right? There's no reason to fade this thing until we have clear and concise kind of momentum break, structure break, right? Just up only right now. So there's no trade, right? So we wait. That's why we talk a lot of smack here, because we got to fill the air, right? I'm not one of those people who needs to be like talking amongst people. I'm actually quite content to myself to like not talk. But you guys are here for a show, right? For a show. And at the end of the day, all we're here doing is pressing buttons and trying to make our P&L look beautiful, right? I'll show you my P&L. You show me yours. We're here making crypto honest again. Okay, that is how we roll. We show you the trades. We take the trades. We show you the entries. We tell you what we're looking for and when we're looking for it and how we're looking for it. Okay, we manage our risk. We show you what we do. We're here every morning, 8 a.m. till 10 a.m. We've had quite a bit of success. We have an amazing Discord with an amazing sale on right now. We show up. We've been trading for over 3 years now. I pride myself in my work ethic. I would say we're making crypto honest again, Django, and it hasn't been honest since Bitcoin was created. That was the first honest thing ever created in crypto, and since then it's been downhill. So we're trying to get back to that. Yeah, we're just, we need hats. Yeah, we're trying to have a movement here, not like in the morning having that kind of movement, right? We're trying to get back to how it started, right? And since then, people have price prediction videos telling you that Link is going to go to $5 billion and to buy the poo-poo coin, right? Doji in the African desert, right? Buy the Doji in the African desert coin. If you know, you know. Okay? Are you streaming Powell? The Powell? Probably not. Probably not. Right now I have family from England visiting, my mother-in-law, and I didn't get into trading to stream an old man talking about, and I'll trade FOMC. We kill it. But I got into trading to free up the most valuable thing in my life, and that is time, okay? Carpenter for 13 years, journeyman carpenter, worked all across the world as a carpenter. And We try to take that attitude of showing up early, staying late if we are asked, and working hard to trading, which is hard because trading's not hard. This is what I'm doing. Click, 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 click. So I try to show up and show you guys what I do. What I do may not work for you. That's cool. Because in our Discord, we have 7 different traders. 7. Smart money concepts, momentum, swing trading, neo wave theory, pivots, bat patterns, all the good stuff, man. People who are actually trading. It's almost, I got to make a new video because we just added another trader. But you got me, you got Kyle, you got Brewberry, you got CVO, you got HRJ, you have Tradefly, and you have WaveCypher. WaveCypher with the short call last night, guys. Hoo-wee. Ooh-wee. My goodness gracious. Lord have mercy. I also gave you the 786 up there. I said 786. Here we go. BTC hitting 786. Oof. Down we went. Down we went. The best gang in all of crypto. Everybody's saying good morning. Incredible. Incredible. I don't know if I want to check the family chat now, guys. You guys are misbehaving already. French Toaster, what's going on, man? Steve Higgy, Django, Orhan. Good morning, everybody. Thank you for being here. FOMC is what, tomorrow? Well, it's not FOMC. It's not even tomorrow. It's like the 29th is FOMC. I know that. Is Powell talking today? I thought that was yesterday. We had the minutes. You guys are confusing me now. A little bit of resistance in the golden pocket right now, trying Steve Ruglin to push price up. Steve Ruglin. Up only, those. Quite strong. Looking good. No reason to fade this thing. My God. No reason to fade this. Quite a day yesterday. So if we're looking at, what we have. This is aggressive, man. So what we're looking for is the balloon dog, right? We're looking for this guy here. Okay, that's what we're looking for right now. I would like it in here. Big old ears on the guy, and then, those big old, Right? Boom. Right? Spills the dog bowl. But this is aggressive. This tells me that our correction may be over. And that means Valhalla. And our daily time frame, our 3-day time frame has been pointing to the end of the week into Sunday for a pump. Okay, after this reset. So wouldn't be surprised. The NASDAQ making all-time highs yesterday. Okay, this is the tell, guys, right? Remember I told you, we look for the NASDAQ to bottom and to continue, to bottom and to continue, to bottom and to continue. It's been very, very lucrative if you're patient enough to wait for the bottom and confirm the bottom and then take the trade up. Okay. However, all-time highs, right? You're supposed to short all-time highs, right? That's the story. I'm sorry for swearing, Ficker. I'm sorry, man. Someone had to say it, right? Someone had to say it, and of course it has to be me. Of course it has to be me. I'm the guy. I don't mind being the bad guy. Okay. The S&P chopping about at the top here. Okay. It has created these gaps, okay? You see these little gaps, this little gap here, this gap here, and it has returned to it every single time. We have another one, guys. So this is a warning sign again, right? There is a gap below that could be filled. Could be. Should be. We'll see if it does. Okay, so always be aware of these things. This can front run your dumps as well. Okay, which has been quite accurate as of late. So be aware of those as well. Solana. Solana was trading inverse to Bitcoin and ETH. ETH and Bitcoin were flagging out down this way. Solana was continuing to push. The gang wanted to short up here. I said to wait. And you would have had to wait till, yeah. That would have been your entry right there. 10 o'clock. That should have been your entry here or here. Not here. And it was a good level of resistance, but there was no confirmation of this uptrend fading. Look at this, okay? This is a very dangerous thing to short because you have a very aggressive ascending triangle which can break out, okay? So you got to wait for the mitigation, right? You have to wait for this. Bitcoin potentially rolling over here. Solana revisiting the order block retest area. So, wrong tool. Sorry. Back to Bitcoin. So where are we at? I guess we should answer those questions and just kind of guide you guys. Hopefully you guys learn how to guide yourselves here. That's kind of my goal always. That's why I don't give you guys like, I do a pretty thorough, like 7-minute, 5-minute top-down analysis every morning for the Discord, just so that you kind of understand where we're at, what we're looking for, how we're looking to take advantage of the price action today, our narrative, right? Our bias, right? Our bias should be up, right? When we look at structure, what is going to tell us, right? If we're looking at our weekly and our daily, they're both uptrends, right? So this is beautiful. So what are we looking for to happen? We're looking for confirmation, which would mean taking this high. Confirmation of continuation, right? We're looking for this high to be taken so that we can justify getting gig along. Otherwise, we're looking for this still to be corrective. Make sense? We cannot assume that this is just going to go up because we have broken this low. Okay? We cannot assume because we make an ass out of you and me. Yeah, I went there. Now, we can do like a little trend line here. This is actually pretty helpful. Okay. Regression trend line, very simple. It makes you not interpret anything, okay? You just throw it on there from the high and down. It gives you a trend. So that means that we are in the median. We retrace to the median. We are currently returning to the highs. And there's a potential for us to come to the lows. Pink box. Okay. So if this is corrective, I need to be prepared for price to come here. This is also a value area high, a 382, and a key support level of volume. Okay. So in my opinion, as long as we hold 119, we're good. We're Gucci, man. We just chilling. Okay. As long as we hold it. Do you need me to show you guys why the levels are there? Do you need me to show me how we got the levels there? I can show you that too. All right, you go. Here we go. We'll go 4-hour time frame. And this is your job every morning. If you cannot mark out your chart and find out critical levels on a more macro side, you got your 382 there. You need to go and practice some charting, right? We're technical analysis. We're not testicle analysis, okay? I went there. Yes, I went there, okay? We also have, you want to see another cheeky way of getting this level? Do you want to see the cheeky way? I can show you the cheeky way. This is another cheeky way. You can go swing low to swing high here, and you get your 272 extension level, or you can go, which gives you that cheeky low as well. Okay, so that's an extension. you also have a big old high order block in here, okay? A nice order block in here. So if we're going to defend an area, it's got to be me. It's going to be me. Okay, it's got to be here. 119. And that would be a nice 1, 2, 3, and off we go. Dips are for buying because we have broken the high of this. Okay? Dips are for buying because we have changed structure on a daily and we continue to push this weekly up. Okay? There's your magical sauce. How does that help me trade the 3-minute? Well, it gives me a narrative. It gives me an idea that, hey, yes, we're pushing here, but there's still a chance for us to come down to 119. Are we getting rejected from our area? Yes. Okay. How do I take advantage of the price action here? Well, I need confirmation to go short. Correct? Correct. So trading is waiting. Trading is waiting. 223 votes on the poll and only 112 likes, man. You guys must all love pineapple on pizza. And not me. And not me. You guys don't like me, you like pineapple on pizza. That's what that tells me, Alexandra G. They're all into clicking. They like to voice their opinion, but they don't want to press the like button. What's going on, Gur? Good to see you, man. DJ Mac. Good morning. J Violet. Good to see you as well. Ape Breath. Good morning, Skiers. What's going on? Oh, man. JR. French Toaster. Freedom. Jessica. Good morning, John. What's going on, Pat? Vic Nesh. Good morning. DJ Mac. AUB. Orhan. Good morning. Good to see you. I heard Tom's. Yeah, go and watch. If you're going to watch Jerome Powell stuff, go and watch it at Tom Crown's. Tom Crown's is a good friend of the channel. I worked for Tom for a bit there. I love Tom, man. He's good stuff. He helped me find computer stuff. Love Tom, man. Tom's great. Jason, good morning. Good to see you. CM, good morning. Papa Powell's live now? No, he isn't. Is he?
Can eat it. It's not because it pays a dividend.
I don't see him. What is he on? Bloomberg? Yahoo Finance?
Or you can burn it. It's just a great store of value. You know, listen, gold has had a 2,000-year history of calling bunk on currencies. And, you know, we think it's a permanent position in our portfolios.
Do you think that the moment right now in this sort of narrative around the so-called debasement trade that it is, in your words, calling bunk on the dollar, like, is that what's really happening?
You know, everybody's talking about moving away from the dollar, and absolutely that's happening at the margin. Show me another currency that's deep enough to handle the flows, which is what you're seeing go on here with gold. You know, the gold market is...
Hey, guys, are you doing the debasement trade? I used to do the debasement trade when I lived at my grandparents' and I was in the basement. I used to hit buy and sell in the basement. So I always used to do a debasement trade. I don't know about you guys. Put a 1 in the chat if you like the debasement trade.
Obviously, people are buying into it through ETFs. They're getting into futures, miners, for example. What about actual physical gold? You know, is there an argument to be made that you should have some gold bars at home or wherever?
We've shied away from owning bars. Bars, when it comes time to sell, are harder to sell because you have to kind of ensure the authenticity of that gold and the purity of the gold. We'd much prefer to own coins. Of course, this raises the question of where you store these coins. They have to be stored somewhere safe. And you know, and depending on how much you want to own.
You guys didn't like my dad joke? You don't like trading in
$100,000 of gold
debasement?
is about that much in coins. You know, so you know, I suppose you could have a briefcase you carry around and keep the coins
With the little
with the handcuff
attached to it, like in the movies, maybe so.
These guys suck.
Well, for market
man.
movers, we're going to focus on earnings that have been.
These guys suck. I don't need to watch news, man. Let's look at the charts. I'll tell you the news. Bitcoin coming down, pushing up. Overextended to the upside, trying to push. Possible continuation here. No retest of previous highs, so not really excited just yet for this thing to potentially pop here. Solana looks strong. I guess we're just gonna have to trade Solana this morning. VWAP slap. ETH is beat up, guys. If there's a swing trade today and we're going up, ETH is the one. ETH got rocked yesterday. So ETH would be the one that needs to play catch up. And you can see it. Look, Solana's down 2%, ETH down 3%, Bitcoin down 0%. And guys, did you guys all look at Bitcoin dominance this morning? Hoo-wee. Up 1% already. Bitcoin's got a lead, baby. Bitcoin's got a lead. This is good news. We want dominance to go up right now. Once we hit about 61%, then we want it to dump, guys. Look at that retracement and bounce. Double top here. We could pump here. This looks good on USDT. DT. Double top SFP, guys. Double top SFP on USDT dominance. This is good. This means it comes down to here. This is bullish. This is a very bullish looking rejection here. That's a very good blow off top. This is very bullish looking. Do we all agree? I agree. As Bitcoin rips. Bitcoin does not care this morning. Holy smokes, man. Back to break even. Back to break even. Wild. Everybody's long. Put a 1 in the chat if you're long. Good morning, Randy. Good to see you. This is the only thing that gang has let me down about. Pump the likes, says Randy Hipper. What's going on, Randy? How you doing? We're already at 160 likes. We got 398 people in here. God bless you guys. Thank you for being here and hanging out, pressing buttons with me. Asyncs long dong silver. Let's go. Let's go, guys. Schlong, schlong, schlong. Okay. Good job, everybody. I need to get up early. Guys, I already get up at 4. That's not fair. I'm on mountain time now. Valhalla. Soul Valhalla. Nice push here. Biddy don't care about a golden pocket, guys. Biddy is just going to the moon. Damn. I mean, there's no entry here for me. This is beautiful, guys. Bitcoin. Flying. I love it, man. I love it. This is great, guys. Look at this thing go. This morning I got up and I bought Aerodrome. I don't know about you guys. It's never financial advice, but I bought Aero down here. I think Aerodrome's going to do really good. My average buy-in's like sub 90 cents, so it's taking a little DCA action here. This thing is crazy. Look at it fly, man. This is great. This is awesome, man. Let's go, Biddy. Coming for this high here. Very nice push here for Bitcoin. Coming for that SFP of this high here, top of the order block. See if it does want to take this. I'm not fading this. This thing is just ripping, guys. GG's if you're long. Very nice. Very, very nice. Oh, my boy is up and my coffee's ready. My coffee's ready and my boy's up. Gotta go pay homage to the family, guys. Up only, guys. Press buy. Thank you, everybody, for being here.
On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 What you know about juice? Making them moves that'll flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios, taking well over exceptional pain. I'm chopping this, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pen full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an Otter game with an auto flame. For a lot of hate, get above the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Drapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me for the TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto, on the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 What you know about juice? Making them moves that'll flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios, taking well over exceptional pain. I'm chopping this, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pen full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an Otter game with an auto flame. For a lot of hate, get above the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Drapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me for the TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto, on the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto.
I was so gonna FOMO in there. I was ready to click the button, man. I was ready to click the button. I would have been buying the top like an absolute chooch. Okay. The people who didn't stay good. Yeah, we lost. Oh, man, we lost a bunch of people, man. I think if I didn't, like, If I didn't go and make a coffee every morning, we would have like 600 people on the stream, but there's no reason to buy here. Just stepping away is very important. Spending time with family is very important. Saying good morning to your wife. Kissing your son. Saying, everybody getting all excited, man. You all top buy-in. I'm excited too, guys. Don't get it. I'm excited too. But we have swept the high now. Can we continue? Can we continue? Bitcoin up only right now. Good morning, everybody. Thank you for being here. Thank you for smacking like buttons. 360 people here. You guys are great, man. It was the alarm. That's okay. I came back and turned it off. I heard it ringing. Retest back down. We here. Sorry about the alarm, guys. What's going on, Piper? Good to see you, bro. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Randy Hipper in the chat. Good morning. Effing alarm. My ears are dying. Sorry, guys. Pineapple on pizza is dying. People are starting to vote against it. I like pineapple on pizza, and I'm Italian, so like, you guys tell me. You guys tell me. Am I Fugazi Italian? Am I one of these? I mean, I'm third generation Canadian, so 1, 2, no, second generation. I know, right? I know. Don't get me wrong. I haven't had, so like, I would say 1 out of every 40 pizzas I eat is Hawaiian pineapple. I'm always sapasata, arugula, prosciutto, okay? 99% of my pizzas are arugula and prosciutto. Maybe some hot capicola, okay? 99%, I'm telling you. But every now and then, Mr. Hawaiian shows up at my door and goes, aloha. And I say, oh, baby, yes, I do. Okay? Okay? It's true. 99. You can ask my wife. I'm always eating the meat lovers, prosciutto, Italian sausage, spicy Italian sausage. Always. Always. But every now and then, she just shows up in that, Hawaiian. She just looking at me with that grass skirt, right? She's out there saying, hey, you missed me? All right. She's like, hey, man, what's going on? And it's like, sure. Good rejection here coming down, sweeping the high. Okay. High has been swept. Enticing buyers all morning. This is the same story over and over again. Coming back, looking for a retest of the order block down in here. We'll see if we get it. Looking for a potential long continuation trade. However, nice rejection here. Soy Boy Lana coming back into VWAP potentially for a little retest. 850, everybody. Thank you for being here. Smacking up like buttons, saying good morning. All those good things. I do appreciate you guys being here and hanging out. Make sure you get your Prime big deals on Amazon. You have 48 hours. I keep getting these emails. I don't know. What is one thing that I should buy on Amazon Prime? I don't know, man. I'm thinking about getting one of those foot things because I'm short, right? Like I can swing my legs, right? Guys, I'm sitting on the chair right now. I swear I swear on my life right now. I'm sitting on my chair right now. Okay? And my legs can swing. I got full swinging motion. I got the full I can like a little child, okay? My legs are like this. Okay? So I was thinking about getting one of those footstool things. You know, you got your foot here, but I got the full array here. Okay, this is the legs. I can do this right now. I'm doing this right now. Look, straight legged right now. Back legged right now. Straight legged. Back legged. Okay, I got the full array. I do not. I probably got like 3 inches clearance here. So I was thinking about getting one of those foot thingies, you know, one of those, so I can put my feet on it, or just getting a pair of platforms. What do you guys think? Just get a pair of roller skates. Just wear roller skates at the desk, right? Then my feet would touch the ground, and I could get my coffee faster. What do you guys think? Roller skates or footstool? Platforms? You get the platforms? We already talked about the platforms, guys. They're called the Nike Elevates, guys. If you haven't been on this channel long enough, okay. The Nike Elevates, okay? We've been talking about these from day one, guys. The AlexOCrypto Nike Air Max Elevates, okay? If you know, you know. Okay? Oh man, you guys. Honestly, there's no better time than taking the piss out of yourself, man. Stiletto skates, roller skates. Short people have different problems. What would that be, Cuntube? My proportions are great. Oh man. Where do you think all the height went? Oh man. Old school skates for sure, yeah? I've had some bad experiences actual roller skating. This is up only price action, guys. Like, I can't justify longing here. I can't. I just can't. I'm sorry. It would be a disservice to my utterly fantastic friends here. Thank you everybody for being here though, subscribing, hanging out, talking smack, having fun. 353 people in here. It's almost 9 o'clock. We'll do a top-down analysis shortly. Sweeping the high right now. Looking for a possible... I'm looking for a flag, right? That's basically what we're looking for. We're looking for the double bottom bull flag, continuation trade. We have swept the high. We've done our job now. So we may not get down here. We have flipped this to this now. Order block, order block. Momentum to the upside. Up only trading. Solana. Flipped to support. ETH. Nice push, man. Breakout retest on ETH. Breakout retest continuation trade. That would have been the long this morning right there. Looking to get up to the liquidity of that high there. Sol continues to rip. Bitcoin looking to push. Very aggressive move this morning, everybody. Make sure you guys, if you are in longs, man, make sure you're paying yourselves. This is really good. The NASDAQ flat, consolidating. Lots of liquidity below. Interesting for the NAS. But NASDAQ had a great push yesterday, so Bitcoin just could be catching up. Bitcoin trying to push here. Still going to remain patient. No trade for me. What's going on, JR? Good to see you, man. Cheap vlog. Get some elevate insoles, yeah. What's going on, Sean? Good to see you, Simeon Skates. Cut some off the table legs and lower the chair. Yeah, that's the thing, man. I like floating though, bro. This price action just takes my money, yeah. Well, it's not a hanging man engulfing candle at the top right now. Like, typically I would buy that, but it's not in the right area, guys. This is not the right area to be taking along. And it could work. It probably would work, but woodwork is left for carpenters. Okay? I'm on fire with the dad jokes today, guys. I feel good about the dad jokes. We got the debasement trade joke, the woodwork trade. I mean, does it get any easier? I think people believe in the stream because it's too much alpha here. All the alphas in the Discord, man. I don't know if I'm attracting customers. Like, am I supposed to attract customers by live streaming? Like, I mean, this is how people find me and how they join the Discord and all that stuff. But it's like, it's almost like I'm distracting them. It's almost like I don't want them to join the Discord because the Discord's pretty full. The Discord's pretty full, and like I don't necessarily want you to join the Discord. I spent like two hours while watching the hockey game and the baseball game, okay? 2 hours doing customer service last night. You know how much that ekes my bones? You know, it's crazy. It ekes me so bad. I'm like, this isn't worth it, man. Perfect sale. I don't want them to join the Discord. It's like we got like a nice family in there. We got a bunch of traders. But I hate doing customer service when I'm like, I'd rather just click buttons, man. I'd rather just, I mean, yesterday I made $2,700 yesterday. I don't need your Discord subscription. Maybe that's the appeal. You know? I'll refund your misery. Like, I have no problem giving you your money back too. It's nice. It's nice to have that freedom. What did we talk about? Do it from a position of F you, right? I don't want to pay $80. F you. I don't want to pay $100. Good. F you. Right? Whatever. Yeah, that's it, Army Piper. You're welcome to be in the gang. We love you. F you, I love you. Cocaine. The Discord is a gold mine. He's underselling it. I 10x my portfolio. What does wave 4 mean? 1, 2, 3, 4. I don't know, man. That's it. I volunteer as your customer service rep. I got trust issues, man. I mean, my go-to is, do you want your money back? That's the... I effing love you too, Slam Banjo. You too, Alex? Yeah, see? Can tell you about Link. I need to train... Here's your pin message, okay? I need to train my an AI agent. The problem is with the Discord is me6, in my opinion. Members can't... So I get... Members can't change their payment information. I can't cancel their membership and restart their membership. I can't... Because sometimes people will pay for the membership and they won't get the role given to them in the Discord. It's absolute bonkers. They'll pay for it, but they won't get their role changed. So I have to refund them, have them re-sign up. Like, it's just a absolute gong show. I want to move it all onto a website is what is the plan. I don't know who to pay. I don't know how to do it. It's a big fear of mine. I do not know what I'm doing. I got a couple of things. One is to build out a website. We already have AlexOCrypto.com. We want to update the merch. The merch is great. Ask Army Piper. He's got some of the merch, right? We want to update the mugs. So right now we're creating a Steve Ruggles mug. We're going to do a Wanking Chariot mug. We're going to do another mug. I have it written down. Okay? We're going to update the gang photo because there's a lot of new gang members. So we're going to add all the... Then I want to have a deals page. I want to have a sign-up page. But I don't know how to do these things, guys. I can build you a damn mansion. I can build you a gorgeous, built-in, custom bookshelf out of friggin' whatever. Walnut. What is that really expensive blackwood? Ipe? Is it Ipe? Australian sandalwood? Purple heart? African blackwood? What about that pink ivory wood? Have you ever seen pink ivory wood? Ooh wee, man. Pink ivory wood. Brazilian rosewood. Man, I'm getting wood just thinking about wood. PayPal's the worst, man. 3 yellow raisin wood. Incredible, Jason. ePay deck next month. There you go. G-Man knows. Make sure you pre-drill your. You got to pre-drill all of that, bro. G-Man, you got to pre-drill. It's so that's tough, man. You're gonna go through bits. Jeanette, good morning. Good to see you. AlexOCrypto, what's going on, bro? You got a lot of work, man. It's like building a deck twice. Heaps of companies out there to build a great website, 2 to 4K. That's no problem. I can afford that. Maybe the Discord can help me. Can point me in the right direction. But see, like, I want to build it out, but I don't want the headache of, like, managing it. Fix your audio. Let me help you. Fix your audio. Go to your audio settings on your audio interface. Dano's going to fix it. Is it too quiet, Dan? We can fix it right now. Where are we doing? Go in here. Mic, right? Mic, properties. All right. Are we going to filter? Are we adding a filter, bro? It's too quiet. Audio's so low. I can't crank it, guys. Click the 3 dots. Right here. There's no 3 dots. Filters. Edit filters. Add a filter. We're going to add compressor. Noise gate. Noise suppression. Compressor. Compressor. Add. Okay, now what are we doing? Turn out. Now what? Audio gain. Output gain up to 2. 2.2, I like that. Is that it? Ooh. Threshold down. Down what? How far? 20? A little bit more. A little bit more gain. Ooh. Do I sound like Barry White yet? Close. How oh look, it gave me a little bit more power. I gotta what? EQ? I'm sounding better already? Damn, Daniel. Damn, Daniel. Much better. Oh, everybody's getting hot off of this, man. Now what do we have to do? Where's EQ filter? I don't have an EQ filter. Compressor V2. Okay, where's the EQ filter, bro? I can call it EQ filter. I don't sound like a chipmunk anymore. Do I sound like Barry White? What else am I adding here, bro? VST. Add. No, that thing's garbage. I think we'll turn this up a little bit more for all my Barry White fans in here. Turn down the threshold a little bit here. A little bit more. Start to sing. I can't sing, guys. I can't select the plugin because there's no plugin interface, bro. All right. compressor, baby. We've compressed it. Can't get enough of YOLO, baby. How do I sound, everybody? Do we sound better? Put a 1 in the chat if we sound better. Put a 1 in the chat. Yeah. Oh, baby. Bitcoin dumping. No trade still. We got 19 minutes till market opens. Oh, baby. AlexOCrypto. Why don't you go live at 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time? I'll send the stream over to you, and we'll absolutely raid you, bro. Thank you for your help. Givers game, baby. You guys aren't following AlexOCrypto. I don't know what you're doing. I've showed you many times here before, bro. Guys, go follow AlexOCrypto. Very knowledgeable, very handsome, awesome sounding mic. I'll send them to you, bro. I'll send them to you, but you'll have a plethora of degenerates in your stream. Just warning you. CRISPR. Those are good chips in the UK. All right, we got some good sounding. Your vase EQ. I don't know what EQ is, man. It's like GQ, but for vocals. Bitcoin coming back down here, trying to get bought up, retest the previous highs, considering a long here. Got order block in here. Continuation trade possibility coming into rejection zone though, so it's a little bit sketchy here, guys. Thank you everybody for being on the live stream. Hopefully my voice sounds beautiful. What's going on? Trade Intuition, good to see you. He's got the magnet wizard. Let's see some magnet wizards in the chat for TI. I don't know if I have the wizard one. I got the magnet. There's a wizard. Oh man, you got like 4 wizards in here. You even have, what are these? Are these native Indian? I thought they were native Indians, guys. I was just they're elves. Man elf, woman elf. Hey man, what about a non-binary elf? Lord Otter, King Beaver. We got flies in here. Man, there's some whack stuff. I can't believe I can't believe I just called elves native Indians. Oh man. I'm going to get demonetized so quick here. Hey, they got woman elf and man elf. Why can't they have non-binary Lord Otter, King Beaver elf, man? Those are my pronouns. Thank you, Dan. Magnician. Yeah, that's the one. Yeah, I'm monetized again. Unfortunately, Google does like me somewhat, so I don't know. All right, top-down analysis. Where are we at? So the 4-hour looks juicy. Trigger wave, okay? Looking for a continuation here. Nice pushback here, coming back in. Still looking for corrections, okay? So understanding that we are still in a little bit of a correction here. Can we come down for the slope? Quite possibly. Enticing buyers this morning. Is it the place where I'm looking to get long? No, not really. I'd rather us come back down into here. However, nice push this morning. 3-hour. Trigger wave to the upside. VWAP overextended. 2-hour. Trigger wave overextended. 1-hour. Anchor wave. Trigger wave to the downside, okay? Continuation down is a very high possibility here. Red money flow. Trying to push back, though, so it's a good sign. Don't get too bullish up at the highs. Remember, retracement zone. So we're looking for a higher low continuation trade. That is where we want to take longs. However, right now it's very bullish and euphoric, pushing our way up. Looking at our 24-minute here, overextended to the upside. Looking for a little bit of a whoosh, 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 and a go. We'll see if we get it. Very aggressive moves here this morning. So we'll see enticing buyers like they always have all morning. The The NASDAQ making all-time highs, consolidating, looking to break out. The SPY, all-time highs, consolidating, looking to break out. Okay, gap down below is a warning sign. Solana, breakout, retest, VWAP, continuation trade, possibility. Ethereum, breakout, retest, continuation trade, possibility. Okay, so a lot of things are looking good, but let's not get overly excited. Market open is coming, hot and fresh and ready, right at our beautiful, beautiful price action here. So we'll see if this does want to continue to push or if we're going to get a rejection. We are currently in a rejection zone, possibly sweeping the highs and the liquidity out of this high here, and now looking for possible lower lows. So we look for this low to be taken and then retrace back up, and then we can short. Other than that, it's up only. So retest to order blocks, continuation trades, retest to previous highs, continuation trades. I just missed this because I'm giving you guys explanations, but that's fine. Okay, thank you everybody for being here, supporting the channel. Even the man, the myth, the legend, AlexOCrypto coming through and blessing our stream with some beautiful, beautiful tunage. He tuned our microphone for us. Beautiful. Thank you, bro. God bless you. Oh, man. YouTube money is nothing, man. YouTube pays me maybe $300 a month, and then I give it to the mods. So I didn't even feel the YouTube demonetization. I made more yesterday than I have made all year on YouTube mods or on YouTube money. So just trade. That's it. Who cares about YouTube? YouTube's just a great platform to hang out with all my friends, all my hairy marsupial Otter gang members. You guys are amazing. God bless you guys. Make sure that I can send my stream tiers, AlexOCrypto. Make sure that's turned on, and I'll send them over, bro. Everybody got long here, right? Put a 1 in the chat if you're long. All right, there's your update. You see how fast that was? 2 pump chump, man. 2 pump chump. Your strength is in Solana, in my opinion. Your best trade is Ethereum because it got beat up yesterday. Your strength is in Solana. Your NASDAQ shows strength. Your Bitcoin, your corn looks really good too. Your daily is turning up. Your 12-hour has turned up. That's the big tell right now. Is your 12-hour candle has turned up, right? This is ready to party, baby. The 12-hour looks ready to party. It has reset, curving to the upside, curving to the upside, curving to the upside. Okay, so the 12-hour has reset. It's going to take either, one VWAP crossover, so a day and a half, or half a day. We'll see. Could be this candle. It's not for me to decide. It's for me to participate safely with good risk management, helping you guys navigate the charts. That's it. That's it, baby. FOMO, NOMO. Every morning we suggest the FOMO, NOMO, okay? No trade here, just waiting, everybody. Thank you guys for being on the live. We got a whole plethora of people in here. 407-232. Thank you guys for being here. We got a Discord sale on right now. We got John Foster Crypto hanging some prefab here. We got the prefab. Oh, nice. Oh, that's a coffered ceiling. You're gonna do the interior of that. Probably some tongue and groove over there. You're using 4x4 poles. I don't know about that. You better wrap that nice, man. That's gonna look good. Here's the steeple. See all the people. Yeah, looking good. Looking good. Oh, brick facade. Oh, going on the brick facade. Adding an overhanging porch. Very nice. Little extension roof out here. Nice enclosure. Maybe a patio. You're going to eat on the patio. Enclosed patio. Looking fab-tabulous. Good job, John Foster Crypto. Kicking ass, taking names. There it is. Look at. Oh, look. We called the tongue and groove on the ceiling. We called it the nice wrap on the posts with the nice, beautiful facade. Okay. Look at that. Called it wraparound bar. Oh, baby. See? I told you you're going to go tongue and groove on that ceiling. Man, too many times. Too many times have I done tongue and groove. Make sure you use a laser. All right. Good times. Good times. Love it, man. I've built a bunch of stuff like that. All right. We got 10 minutes till market opens, everybody. Thank you, everybody, for being here and kicking names and taking ass. Much appreciated. Hopefully you're all having a wonderful, wonderful day. We'll see how this market continues to perform, but right now, we wait. We wait. SEI is going to pop, guys. We all know SEI is going to pop, right? It's just like leverage SUI, all right? Everybody got long here off that retest continuation trade. I'm jealous. I'm jealous. That's fine. Tongue grooves about 50 USD here in Miami. What lengths boards? 12 footers or 16s? I typically would do 12s because 16s, they get a little bit wonky, man. You're forcing it back into position quite often. You got to really nail down that first row. It's all about that first row, baby. You get that first row straight as an arrow with lots of nails in it, and I would even screw it sometimes just to make sure it doesn't move. And you're good to go. Pop, 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 baby. Okay, trying to push here. People in the Discord, CVO's looking in the exact same place that I am, but he does tell you his bias is the same as mine as well. He just updated you guys there. I'm on Team CVO. I'm in the same sentiment as him. Soy boy Lana. Okay, hanging man engulfing candle, 35 seconds. Trap traders, man. Trapped traders. I actually prefer here. That would be juicier. We'll see. No trade here. Still waiting. Very overextended to the upside. We'll see how market opens, everybody. Thank you for being here. Smacking up like buttons, subscribing if you're new. All that good stuff, man. You guys are cool. I do appreciate you guys hanging out. Thank you for being here. I'm going to send you over to AlexOCrypto after this so that you guys can get a taste of what Dano provides with his beautiful microphone. 420 people in here. You guys are all smokers, aren't you? You guys just keep leaving and rejoining. As long as there's 420 in here, you guys are happy. Good morning, Jason. How's it going, man? Apps, good morning. What do you think about Aster? I think it's going to do well, but I think it's highly manipulated by Binance, just like everything on Binance. Crypto Fish, what's going on? Scott, good to see you. How you been, Scott? It's been a while, bro. Shiraz Mohammed, good to see you, man. Steve Hickey, you have to turn him down. Let's go. JR, it's in the game. Thank you, everybody, for saying good morning. If you are new here, welcome. Good to see you. Scott, you're in the original Otter Gang photo, aren't you? You're right over here with your jetpack on, right here. That's you right over there. I see you, bro. I remember. You have a rocket, a Bitcoin rocket on your back, bro. Good times. Good times. That picture took me 10 years to make, man. Is there pineapple on pizza is a sin, says Emma Coiner. I bet you like it. I bet you like it, Emma. I bet you like it. I bet you don't always have it, but every now and then you're like, ooh, pineapple on pizza. Don't mind if I do. Couple wobbly pops. It's late at night. You got the munchies, and you're staying that, and you're staying in, and you're like, there's just a couple of slices of pineapple pizza left at home, and you get in the door, and chuck it in that microwave, 20 seconds, and you've never had a better tasting pizza in your life. Don't lie to me. Don't lie to me. I know it. Why don't I see a WoW icon, Diablo 2 icon, or Halo icon? I got all three going, man. I got Path of Exile, Halo 2, Diablo 2, Diablo 4, which sucks, Elden Ring. I've been playing a lot of PoE on my time, and a little bit of Skate. Emma Coiner. Remember, I'm Italian, eh? Bella, ciao bella, come stai? Come on. You're going to teach me about the pizza? You have Nonna's. Do you have Nonna's sauce? Do you have Nonna's sauce? Do you have the Italian recipe? I don't think so. Hey. Capiche? Capiche? Oh man, I only play Halo 2. That's it. I was actually sponsored by Bungie when I was like 13, 14. Yeah, man. I had like top 100 kill death ratio in Halo 2, bro. Yeah, man. Yeah. I got posters and stuff to prove it. I got photos and I got receipts. Let's put it that way. I played OC guy 1-on-1 in Halo 2. And I beat him 10 to -1. He jumped off the map. I beat him 10 to -1. It was a good time. But I don't. It's the best teabag in the entire world because he drops his knee. There's no better. Like the knee drop on Halo. There's nothing better. Like, guys, there's nothing better when you're playing coagulation and I sword fly across the map and I pull out my battle rifle plasma pistol and I BXR you to death. I kill you in 3 seconds. If I have a battle rifle, it's over. But I used to just walk up to people, gun butt, hit them with the gun butt, cancel the gun butt, shoot them in the head, like insta-kill, man. Insta-kill. Brr, dead. Brr, dead. Brr, dead. Good times, man. Good times, man. Market's open, everybody. Let's go. Gap up for the SPY. Here we go. Gapping up for the SPY. Rotating back down. Bitcoin coming back down. Possible. Flagging out here. Looking to come for some liquidity down below. No trade yet. No market structure change yet. If we lose this low and come back up into here, we could potentially short. No trade. Just trying to be patient here. Solana trying to chop V up. ETH coming back to retest these lows as well. Okay, a little bit of patience here. Thank you, everybody, for being on the stream, talking smack, having fun, hanging out. I know we've been talking a lot of smack this whole stream, but you know what? We're here to take trades as well. I know. I've been too distracted lately. I should be more focused on trading. I mean, I'm having a good week again. I'm already up like seven racks this week. It's hard because I had like a $4,000 Monday, so it's like hard to take trading seriously anymore. Like in the it's like, okay, I'll take a couple trades here. I mean, yesterday, oh my God, stupid day yesterday. I felt like I couldn't lose yesterday. Yesterday, I just slapping it about, right? We just slapping it about. Like, just slapping her, man. Like, 400, 200, 300, 200, 60, 80. Like, just, it gets to be ridiculous. Okay. Good morning, Justin. Good to see you, man. Chopping about here. Market. NASDAQ has dumped on us early, so let's be patient here. 80 in red coming down. Little order block. Trap traders here. So we understand where the liquidity is. We have trap longs in here, the FOMO longs all the way up this morning. So this is very easy liquidity for us to come and take. Okay. The imbalance is actually right here. Yeah, this is okay here. That's 382 continuation. So still patience here. Thanks for being here, TI. Guys, if you're not following Trade Intuition, I don't know what you're doing either. Go and follow TI as well. Market is open, everybody. Trade Intuition. Giving you guys trades, setting you guys up. Subscribe to him as well. Come for the slow. Soy Bailana slapping the WAP. Slapping the WAP. Still waiting. Good morning, John, Jesse, Rudy, David. Buongiorno. Chicazzo. Come on, amica mia. Come on, man. You gotta, you've had it, and you only say Chicazzo because you like it, bro. Don't lie to me, David. You like it. Hey? You like it. Rambambito, see? Oh, man. Now everybody's swearing in Italian, eh? Oh, man. All right, rolling over. Good patience here. Anybody short? Good sell wall here. They will revoke my passport. You see, he can't say he can't say it. Nice SFP on. Nice SFP. I'm a buyer here. Push Bitcoin. Push, you nambe pambe. Looking for this thing to bounce here. Nice SFP. Beautiful bounce on the NASDAQ. Looking for continuation here. Let's go, baby. GG's in the chat. Boom, 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 boom. Volume came in, volume came out. Stopped out. $200. Happy days. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. On to the next one. You see how quick it happens? I can't tell you I'm gonna hold your hand the whole time. Beautiful volume coming in, trigger wave forming, standard deviation 1, continuation trade, up only trade, coming back order block, continuation, Hawaiian pizza. All right. If you know what to look for, you know where you're paying yourself. You got a fair value gap in here. You're looking to come into that fair value gap. You pay yourself, you get out, you make your money. Stop loss to entry. If it does want to go for a run, you let it run. If not, you take your money. We were talking about this yesterday in our Discord. We did a full scalping tutorial, master class, an ass tear class. That's what we did. We did a full scalping ass tear class on how to read volume, how to set your key levels, how to understand price action. You got an SFP, perfect SFP here. Look at the bounce you had on your NASDAQ. Not this candle, guys. This candle before it. Look, came down, SFP, bounced right back up. You got confluence. You got continuation. You hammer it. You take your profit quick. You get paid right away. I like getting paid in like, how long was that trade, guys? How long did we get? That trade was, how long? We just 42 seconds. $200 in 42 seconds. That's a great hourly wage, guys. We just chilling. Okay? On to the next one. What time do you typically go live in the Discord? You have a schedule, my friend. Golden child. See, everybody who signs up for the membership, they go over to membership and they don't read the big premium Discord. Here's your schedule. Here's your sign up. Here's your tutorial video. Anyways, come on, Golden. You've been here for how long? What's the trade here? Gentle Avi. Hey, bro. You know what? You rinse and repeating yourselves. I'm gonna let you think about that for a day, okay? Go and sit on that one, man. That was a gentle. I didn't kick you. That was gentle, okay? Don't come into my house and start asking questions, okay? Rolling over here. Was it 100x? No. No, it's the same every day, man. 44x leverage. It doesn't leverage is a tool, man. Leverage doesn't mean jack diddly squat, bro. It's just a tool. You traded the market open and the meet. Why? Well, we had clear SFP on NASDAQ. We had an order block tap, and we had potential for continuation up. Took the trade. I understood that I would have to take profits aggressively because we are currently rolling over and there's lots of liquidity to the downside. So I did so. Okay, I like the reaction on price. The reaction on price is what really enticed me there. Okay. In and out. Quick and easy. Now we roll over, right? Like, obviously, this would have been a nice short, but for me, it's like sentiment's up right now, right? Like, NASDAQ's rolling over as expected. I'm looking for a bounce on the NASDAQ again, okay? Nice liquidity to come and grab here. We'll see where it gets the bounce. SPY, same deal. Got a gap down below here. We'll see if we come for that. Solana, trying to hold on here. Nice order block, but look at all the liquidity below us. Initially, I wanted here, right? Bitcoin, initially, I wanted here. We got VWAP creeping up here, so that's a potential for potential bounce. Maybe we continue to chop in here, and VWAP comes up. Get a nice slap, maybe a nice orb in here, and then we take the orb retest continuation trade. You know, lots of opportunities here, guys. The key is just waiting, really. I mean, waiting. It's what you do in between the trades that matters, right? Trading is not an active sport. It's like playing golf. You hit the shot, you go up to the ball. You pick the shot, you take the shot, then guess what? You go up to the ball. The lower your score, the less, it's like golf. The less you play the sport, the better you are at the sport. You know, the lower the score in golf, the less shots you make, the better you are at golf. You don't want to play a lot. You just want to be good at the ones you do. You do. I said poo already. All right, you see what I mean? You do. Less is better. And if you feel the FOMO and you feel like you need to be in a trade, put on some paper trades, man. Or put on a position size that's irrelevant to you. Okay? What is an orb? An orb is a 15-minute candle at the market open. Creates a high and a low, which creates a support and resistance level that I trade. Open range breakout, it's called. So right now, it's 9:43. We wait for 9:45. We get a 15-minute candle. Right now, we have a top of the candle that has, and this would be our orb for the day. So we would use this as an intraday support and resistance to help us make decisions based on price action, which allows us to take trades within the orb, out of the orb, in the orb, within the orb, whatever the orb. Orbi-1 Kenobi. But it's definitely a strategy that we do teach in the Discord. Got like 3 videos on it in the Discord. Very simple strategy. We like to keep it simple, right? Look at this beautiful dump here coming back. Looking for a VWAP slap here, guys. Slapperelli. Original buy level here coming in. Let's see what we get. Steve Ruglin. Rolling over. No trade here. Follow through to the downside. Still no trade. Lots of room to the downside still on 12-minute. Oh, big volume surge there. We got a bounce on NASDAQ? No, not really. What are we retesting here? Retesting highs? Yeah. Retesting previous highs right now. Potential for a bounce here. No trade yet. Still waiting. SPY holding support. Bitcoin trying to bounce here. Order block in here. 1 order block, 2 order block, 3 order block, 4. 5 order block, 6 order block, 6. We can make our new rap song, guys. Boom. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom. So we long? No. We're waiting. There's our orb. So you get your 50-minute candle. There are indicators. You can set it up. Here's your orb. You can go over here. You can type in orb. You got to use this one here, AlexOCrypto, and you just set your 50-minute candle, whatever time frame you're on. Okay? Magic. Or you can just draw 2 lines, guys. Very easy to draw 2 lines. I think you don't need an indicator to draw 2 lines. Trying to bounce here. No trade. Still waiting. I'd like to see VWAP slap. NASDAQ no bounce either. Solana losing VWAP, coming down, grabbing liquidity. Liquidity mostly, yeah, you're looking to come down here. 221. Looking for 221 on Solana. That means Bitcoin lower as well. ETH coming way down here. Woof, you're looking for an SFP now on ETH. Hopium, right? Hopium in the morning. Should have taken the short, everybody. We gave the short. We didn't take it. That's okay. The point is we're not losing money. We're just holding money, okay? The key is not losing money. We're holding money. Yeah, baby. Bitcoin chopping. Thank you, everybody, for being here, supporting the channel, hanging out, smacking like buttons, subscribing. If you are new, I do appreciate you guys subscribing, man. I think we're almost at like 17,000 subscribers. That's cool. That's cool, man. We should buy some subscribers. I'm kidding. I'm kidding. Oh, man. I've never bought a subscriber in my life. You guys all love me out of whatever I provide. I don't know what I provide sometimes. I'm just here. Doji. Got Doji looking for engulfing. 2.5 minutes still, guys. Gold has dumped. Awesome. It hit 4K, man. Of course it's going to cool off a little bit. Powell's on now? Great. What is Powell saying? Is he really on? Are you guys pulling my chain again? Those New York Yankees are upset, aren't they?
Dollar valuation.
Those New York Wankies are crying right now.
So what are we going to face in the future? Vantage Bank is designed to be a multi-generational bank. We're 100% family and employee owned.
I don't see him speaking. I just see old white men. Beautiful candle here on Bitcoin. 1 minute left. Beautiful candle, guys. That's gorgeous. This thing's pretty. You guys get long here? Whoo-wee, look at this candle, man. The pushback is real. Look at the bounce on NASDAQ, man. We missed that. We missed that. Solana reclaiming VWAP. This looks a little bit better in my opinion. Wick test. Retest to previous lows. Retest to previous lows. Okay, 9 seconds. See, this is why you don't buy the candle. That's a VWAP slap there, guys. See? Beautiful candle until it isn't. Closing below VWAP. No engulfing. Fake engulfing. Look at that. That's a Fugazi candle. That's a Fugazi candle. Do you see why we wait? Even if this pushes up. This is a Fugazi candle. It did not fully engulf. It slapped VWAP and it got rejected. Now, it doesn't mean it can't continue, but this isn't, when it's not the strategy, it's not the strategy. Bitcoin, a little bit different, but very similar story. It doesn't mean this can't continue. It just means that that's not strategy. That's FOMO. You need to, because this has caught me many a times. When I get doji engulfing, okay, doji engulfing candle, and this candle does not engulf that wick, it doesn't engulf the wick, it's just in front of it like that, I've been robbed of money. Okay, I've lost trades because I've not been particular. Okay, because I've not been particular. It needs to do its job, otherwise it's a fake out. I'm not saying this can't go up. This can still go up. I'm just saying I've lost money because I'm not trading the strategy. The strategy. A lot of people are like, oh, my mindset's messed up. It's your strategy. You're not trading a strategy. Trade the damn strategy. Don't trade your emotions, man. Get out of your head. You know? Fugazi candles. Exactly. Look at this Fugazi candle dumping on your head because you bought up here. Now you're underwater. Still waiting. One trade today, $200. See what we get. NASDAQ, pump and dump. Pump and dump, pump and dump. Okay. Trying to push back. Biddy, holding. See? You would have lost money. Great candle until it wasn't, right? VWAP slap, reclaim of orb. VWAP slap, reclaim of orb. Next strategy, right? VWAP slap, reclaim orb, continuation trade. Otherwise, nothing. This is a perfect retest of previous lows in here. Continuation down. Waiting. Trend has changed. 3-minute structure, break. Bang, break. 3-minute structure break. So if you break structure here, what are you looking for? 1, 2, 3 on the upside, right? 1, 2, 3, right? So patience. We wait. We wait. We're going to send everybody over to AlexOCrypto. Subscribe to his channel. If everybody subscribes to his channel, we'll get him to 4,000 subscribers. That would be really cool, guys. Really cool if you could do that for Dano. Dano the Mano, fixing the microphono. Pretty cool, man. Spy, dead. I mean, the gap down below, right? Fool me 3 times, right? Once, twice, 3 times. Gap, fill. Gap, fill. Gap. Shout out to all the fills there. Or Felipe, Colin. I see you, bro. Fair value gap, order block. Fair value gap, order block. Still liquidity down below us, guys. Sell you the dream, break your heart. Is that not Bitcoin right now? I think so. I think so. Trying to bounce here. Shut up, Render. Sorry, guys. I'm going to take my frustrations out on Mr. Render there. See how dumb it would have been to buy that candle there? That's some hopium right there. Slap. Slap and go. It's got to bounce here. Aerodrome dumping. It's got to bounce here. NASDAQ dumping. No trade. got to bounce here. Reclaim orb. Bounce, reclaim orb. No siree Bob. Coming down. Ripping. Bounce here. Still waiting for a bounce. No reaction I like. Still waiting. Push Bitcoin. Don't be an namby-pamby. It's got to bounce here. NASDAQ trying to bounce. SPY trying to bounce. Sol. No bounce. No bounce, no bueno. Back to the top of the orb. That's what I'd be looking for if this bounces. Hold Bitcoin. Push you, namby-pamby. Not the greatest candle close. Let's see if it can follow through here. All right, we long. We long. Let's see if it pushes. Come on, Biddy. Look for that retest of the lows here. Come on, Biddy, push. Don't be dick for a tick, Alex. Get paid. Get paid and get laid. That's why we're here. Get paid and get laid. Come on, baby, push. Oh, you weak sauce, namby-pamby Steve Ruglin. Come on. Don't you be a dick for a tick. Retesting those lows. These lows are giving us trouble. Lows are giving us trouble. Let's put it higher. Maybe it'll come higher. If we put it higher, maybe it'll come higher. Ooh, I might move this to break even. Oh, no, 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 no. No, 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 no. No, no, no. We got to go up. We got to go up. No, we're not coming up. We're not coming up. Oh, emotional trading now. Emotional trading. I'm going to cut this. Retest of that high. Possible continuation here. Nope. Steve Ruglin. Push Bitcoin. Don't be a namby-pamby. No, it's Steve Ruglin. I'm out. On to the next one. I don't like it. Retest of the lows. Continuation down. Not the reaction I wanted to see. Good close. See how we cut it quick, right? Look at that. With fees, $200 loss. No follow through, guys. Could have taken the 200 off the table. Should have. Could have. Didn't. Okay. However, I'd much rather take, what was that? A $400, $500 loss down here plus fees. Right? We cut it short. We took our loss. On to the next one. We're still up $100 today, guys. Look at that. Cool. Cool, right? You get to see me do it live, right? At least you get to see me. That's how I'm cheap, man. I ain't going to give the market $400 when I can give them $200. That's just me. That's just me. Awesome. Awesome. I love you guys, man. Thank you guys for being here and hanging out. Go over to Dan's channel now. Subscribe. Join him. Love you all. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.
Undercover better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto. Fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 of building portfolios, taking well over exceptional pain. I'm chopping this, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work, so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pen.